Hi, everybody. I used an AI tool to examine what are some of the common investment mistakes that people make in their 40s. Here's the executive summary. Americans in their 40s are making critical investment mistakes that cost them hundreds of thousands of dollars in retirement savings. Our behavioral insights research reveals that the median retirement savings for this age group is only 34,100, far below the recommended benchmark of 3 times their annual salary. So, in general, you're supposed to have 3 times your annual salary. So, let's say you make $100,000 a year, you're supposed to have at least $300,000 in your retirement account. This is for those who are in the age group of their 40s. But this research document suggests that the median retirement savings, which is 50%, is what the median is. So 50% are below 34,100 and 50% are above this number. A single early $30,000 withdrawal can cost over $160,000 in lost retirement savings by age 65. Another critical insight is 49% of Americans aged 35 to 44 are not investing at all, which I found extremely shocking. Selecting none of the above when asked about what are their different investment vehicles. So, how was this study conducted? This study employed a language model based subjective word modeling method to understand the behavioral drivers behind investment mistakes made by Americans in their 40s. We did in depth interviews with individuals representing diverse socio-economic backgrounds. What did we find? Well, this person, whose name is Mike, he's 45 years old, he's an operations manager, and this is what he says. It was about 22,000. At the time, it felt like the right thing to do, helping her save for her special day. But now, looking at my balance and seeing how much money could have grown if I had just left it alone for another 20 years, it just stings. It's not the 22K, it's all the years that I missed out. The most financially devastating mistake we uncovered was the casual approach to early retirement withdrawals. Multiple interview subjects revealed a pattern of treating their 401ks like an accessible emergency fund, fundamentally misunderstanding the long term costs of these decisions. So, for example, Thomas, a retired CPA, said this: that 30,000, if I had stayed invested and grown at, let's say, 7% a year for 25 years, would have been about 160,000 by the time they reach 65. So the car effectively cost them 5 times its purchase price in lost retirement savings. So, in essence, you need to be careful. You need to avoid any kind of FOMO, which is fear of missing out. You need to inform yourself and be in the know. Empower yourself with knowledge and stay the course. Early withdrawal impact. Lost retirement savings from a single, if you withdraw a one time $30,000 early withdrawal, you can lose more than $160,000 over the next 25 years. Timing the market. I've always said this. There's no way that you can time the market. The only thing you can do is put time in the market. So here's the reality check. The median savings for Americans between age 40 to 49 is around 34,100, and the recommended is 3 times the annual salary. Be aware of the 401k contributions that your employer is offering. Maybe you have to put in 5% for them to match another 5%. So we asked the people that we interviewed. Across all the interviews, the most consistent pattern was prioritization of other needs over long-term financial security, such as early retirement withdrawal for non-emergency expenses like fixing the house, lifestyle inflation that comes in when income increases, keeping up with the Joneses, the oldest problem and the biggest problem, delaying retirement contributions because I need to consume something now. So I'm just going to delay my retirement planning. Choosing immediate gratification over compound growth. Choosing something that makes you happy in the moment is not working for you. I also find that a lot of people fall in the knowledge action gap. What does that mean? Many people demonstrated awareness of retirement benchmarks and investment principles, but they struggled to translate it. How? Number one, they felt overwhelmed by what are the investment options out there. They felt they had time constraints and very demanding careers. They also felt there were barriers to seeking financial help. I'm sorry, professional financial help. And perfection. Remember one thing, you're not looking for anything that's perfect because perfect does not exist. You're wasting your time. Professional identity significantly influenced investment behavior. Teachers are prioritizing student needs over their own financial security. Business owners conflating business success with retirement readiness. They think if I have a successful business, I'll be okay in retirement. Engineers seeking optimization at the expense of action. Healthcare professionals focusing on others' well being while forgetting about their own financial health. So, how can I help you? By watching this video and by being a part of this community, I can tell you this: do not treat your retirement savings casually. Treat it as a non negotiable. Max out the 401k. That's free money on the table. Eliminate any withdrawal option. Never borrow from retirement accounts. Debt eats away at your future. It's money you could be putting to work for you. Embrace good enough. There's no such thing as perfect investing. Learn to be okay with good enough investing. And then resist lifestyle inflation. Don't let your house eat up your retirement. People would buy the biggest house they could afford or they could qualify for, sometimes even stretching beyond their means. Why would you want to take on that heavy burden? Don't do it. Now, the window for building retirement in one's 40s is narrow but critical. I'm giving you a very important feedback and a reality check. The compound growth potential of this decade cannot be recovered later, making immediate action essential of basically regarding all your past mistakes is very, very essential. Thank you.